Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best dash cams you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on video quality, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget dash cam with a few nice features, a dual camera for recording in front of the car as well as inside the car, or a premium dash cam that records in 4K, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Apeman C450. This is our best budget dash cam. If you're looking for one of the cheapest HD dash cams available, then the Apeman C450 is one of the best budget choices for you. Currently priced at $45, the Apeman is easy to use, records 1080p, and has surprisingly good night vision for its budget price. It's really easy to set up in just minutes and fairly straightforward to use. You'll find the large 1080p full HD 3-inch screen displays the feed for additional safety, so you'll be aware of potential dangers around you with its wide 170-degree viewing angle that's ideal for driving on highways and city streets with large intersections. What's great is that it records without the big fisheye effect that you find on most cheaper dash cams, so details are easier to see. Even for nighttime driving, Apeman's night vision with WDR and HDR technology captures impressive videos even in low-light situations. Plus, you'll like how the camera keeps working even when you're not actually driving. The G sensor, parking monitor, and motion sensor all work together to automatically capture unexpected accidents when it detects any sudden shakes and saves the video footage on a micro SD card and locks the footage to prevent it from accidentally being overwritten. If you're looking for one of the best 4K dash cams at an affordable price, stay tuned for the AZDashcam GS Pro coming up next. The key features are field of view, 170 degrees with an ultra-wide lens. LCD screen, 3-inch LCD screen to view recordings. Night vision, combination of f1.8 large aperture, WDR, HDR ensures the clarity of images at night. Video, records 1080p video. The pros are setup. Setting up the Apeman C450 is easy and intuitive. Time and date stamp, allows you to time and date stamp along with your car identification number right on the video. Sensors, G sensor, parking monitor, and motion sensor all work together to automatically capture unexpected accidents. Loop recording, continually records and overwrites the oldest videos. And for the cons, no micro SD card. Micro SD card isn't included. If you're looking for a solid performing budget dash cam, then the Apeman C450 records in full HD with an ultra-wide lens, has surprisingly good night vision, and comes with some great features like G-sensor and loop recording to make it one of the best cheap options for you. The 4th product on our list is the AZDashcam GS Pro. This is our best value dash cam. If you're looking for a great performing 4K dash cam with plenty of features at an affordable price, then the popular AZDashcam GS Pro is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $100, the GS Pro is one of the few in its class to record quality 4K video even in night vision mode, along with an array of great features, making it a clear winner for just about every kind of driver at an affordable price. Similar to the Apeman, the GS Pro also records with an ultra-wide 170-degree viewing angle, but the similarities stop there. You'll love the clear 4K recording both during the day and at night with its ultra-low light capture sensor and advanced night vision technology to capture all the important details, including license plates. You'll also like that it comes with built-in GPS so you can add location and speed data to your videos. You'll find the 2.4-inch LCD screen is very intuitive and allows you to quickly cycle through recordings and isolate the content you need. The GS Pro also has G-sensor, parking monitor, and motion sensors like the Apeman. The key features are motion detection with G-sensor, automatically starts recording when it detects a collision. Built-in GPS, add location data to your footage and also track using Google Maps. Built-in Wi-Fi, easily access and transfer files and information with your phone. The pros are 4K, records detailed 4K UHD video in both day and night vision mode. Night vision, ultra-low light capture sensor and advanced night vision technology to capture all the important details. Loop recording, continually records and overwrites the oldest videos. App, Download the dedicated app for more options, remote control, and easy video playback or transfers. And for the cons, vibration. The mount creates a slight vibration which can sometimes affect the recording. If you're looking for the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to a top-performing 4K dashcam, then the AZDashcam GS Pro records 4K in both day and night mode, comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, a dedicated app for more features, and is extremely well priced, making it one of the best choices for you, easily outperforming other dashcams in its class. The third product on our list is the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. This is a great all-rounder dashcam. If you're looking for a dashcam that delivers a good all-round set of features for safer driving and recording of accidents, then the Garmin Dash Cam 66W is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $200, the 66W provides a great range of features that help you stay alert while you drive and captures footage during unfortunate accidents. You'll find the field of view is slightly wider than the previous two dashcams and captures a beautiful 1440p image with Garmin Clarity HDR that provides increased detail in low-light situations in a compact and discreet design. You'll love the intuitive driver alerts that help keep track of the vehicles around you with smart forward collision, late departure, and go alerts which enhance your awareness. There's even alerts for red light and speed cameras to avoid unnecessary tickets. You'll find that the camera is always recording, with accident detection that will automatically save the footage from a minute before the accident for easy playback for insurance claims and law enforcement, and recordings include detailed time and GPS location data. Control the camera with your voice using the Garmin voice control for added convenience. Start or stop audio recordings or set up the travel apps features, which converts hours of driving into minutes of highlights. If you're a ride-sharing driver or just want a dash cam with front and rear dual cameras for added caution, you should stick around for the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem coming up next. The key features are recording. Records 180 degrees field of view in 1440p quality. Loop recording. Continually records and overwrites the oldest videos. The pros are driver alerts. Alerts for forward collision, lane departures, or red lights and speed cameras. Voice control. Start or stop audio recordings or set up other features with voice commands. Discreet, less distraction in a low-profile design. And for the cons, audio. Only get audio on exported clips, not on raw footage. If you're looking for a great all-rounder dashcam that will keep track of road accidents along with some great features, then the Garmin Dash Cam 66W is one of your best choices with great recording quality, convenient alerts, and smart features, making it one of the best all-around dashcams. The second product on our list is the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. This is our best front and back dual dashcam. If you're a rideshare driver looking for a dashcam that can capture not only what's happening on the road, but also what's happening inside the car simultaneously, then the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem is perfect for you. Currently priced at $300, the Tandem provides simultaneous HD video on both outside and inside for a complete recording of any incidents, plus some great smart features for convenience and safety. You'll love the 1440p Garmin Clarity HDR recordings of the road in crisp detail and a 720p interior-facing lens with enhanced night vision featuring Garmin's exclusive night glow technology for clear video of all passengers, no matter the lighting conditions, making it great for Uber, other ride-sharing drivers, or delivery drivers. You'll find accessing the video feed and recordings easy through the Garmin Drive app, which lets you see picture-in-picture view of both feeds at any given time, and with voice activation, it's simple to save recordings of incidents with a single command and share them with the tap of the screen. But if you're looking for the highest level of detail in your recordings, then you'll want to stick around for the BlackVue DR900S-2CH Dashcam coming up next. The key features are recording. Records 180-degree field of view in 1440p in front of the car and 720p in the interior. Loop recording. Continually records and overwrites the oldest videos. Dual vision. Record both the exterior and interior of your car for added security. The pros are parking mode. Monitor your car even while parked for protection against break-ins. Night vision. Night glow technology provides a clear image of the interior even in complete darkness. Garmin Drive. Smart app with added features and functions. Built-in GPS. Automatically captures where and when events occur. Impact detection. Automatically records when the sensor detects a collision. And for the cons, gets hot. The camera can heat up when recording on high settings. If you're looking for a dual camera dash cam that captures what happens on the road in front as well as what's happening inside the car, then the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem has a dual camera that records both simultaneously in HD, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and great night vision, making it a great choice for ride-sharing or delivery drivers. The first product on our list is the BlackVue DR900S-2CH. This is our best 4K dash cam. If you're looking for one of the best dash cams available with high-quality video recording and plenty of premium features, then the BlackVue DR900S-2CH is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $420, the BlackVue provides incredible 4K video recording capabilities for hyper-detailed video with a myriad of convenient features that help you record, playback, and share your driving footage with ease. You'll love the impressive 4K UHD video that has 4 times as many pixels as traditional HD, so license plates are clearer and vital information is in sharp detail for insurance claims and investigations. You'll love the cloud compatibility for wireless uploads, and dual-band Wi-Fi lets you utilize quick 5 GHz internet connections to get your footage faster and more efficiently. And even if the device you're streaming to can't display 4K, you'll have increased detail to zoom through to find those important details. You'll find the range of recording types fantastic for all your needs, with normal loop recording, impact detection event recording, and a passive parking mode that utilizes advanced motion detection to ensure that you capture any action that occurs near your car. The key features are recording. Records widescreen footage in 4K UHD quality. Loop recording. Continually records and overwrites the oldest videos. The pros are 4K, one of the better 4K dash cams on the market, bringing incredible recording quality and detail. HEVC, high-efficiency video coding lets you capture more footage for longer recordings and quick transfers. Cloud compatibility, sync your recordings straight to the cloud for fast, effective storage and viewing. Versatile, loop recording, parking recording, and event recording modes for versatile use. Built-in speaker, alerts you with notifications and warnings. App, dedicated app and viewer for phones and computers. And for the cons, advanced safety alerts. Lacks some of the more advanced driver alerts found on other premium dash cams. If you're looking for a premium dash cam with 4K video recording and plenty of great features, then the BlackVue DR900S-2CH captures incredibly detailed 4K video with built-in Wi-Fi, a dedicated app for file transfers and playback, built-in speaker for alerts, as well as several other features, making it one of the best dash cams available and a great option for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.